May you continue your journey to the next.
The scrap.
Would they scrap it?
Yeah.
I thought they'll fix it. You've been nice, but you were crap. This video, we are in the beautiful land of Sweden, and we're here to return our sofa. This sofa was actually bought in 2022, guys. I did actually like it, but my husband actually spotted some kind of like it wasn't that straight, so we've decided to come and test out their 10-year warranty to see if they would give us our money back. So if you're new to my channel, my name is Princess Sasha the Explorer, and welcome to the Limbex channel. Strange though that IKEA sofas can be taken apart just like you see here, and it's easy for you to actually transport them. That's what we came with. And another fun fact about life in Sweden is that you can easily rent one of these trucks from the gas station for your move, for your removal, for your returns of large items. Your number here, and then you go wait. And that's the customer service there. Places here for you to sit down as well. So guys, we are at the checkout now, and I think they're trying to like get us to like stick to that same one, but I think it's just dodgy. So the cost of like renting the van, the cost of bringing it back, the rent, the time and everything, now we just need to get a different one. So guys, we are waiting for them to decide what they need to do about the sofa, guys, but they try to sell us like let them give us a part for it, but no, because if it's not even 5 years into owning the sofa and it's already broken, you can imagine after 10 years of us owning it, and or even before the 10 years runs out, then they will probably start telling you it's wear and tear. So it's best to just return it now that it's not even 3 years. I did like the sofa though. It was really nice, very comfortable, very soft, but it was just bendy. And bearing in mind that it's maybe only me that tend to sit on it, and it was already bendy before I even arrived, taking them forever to decide what to do. So a customer service, they're quite friendly though. The girl was very friendly, but it's just, I think they're just trying to weigh their options. But for me, it's a no-no. I don't want the replacement one. I hope this thing is not skin cancer. I've never had this before in my life. I'm going to ask my mom what this is. It's just there coming on my face. Or maybe I'm turning white like Michael Jackson. He did say he was turning white, that he didn't bleach himself. And guys, before you talk, I only used Vaseline on my face. I've never used bleaching cream in my life. Before you guys start thinking it's bleaching cream, but I don't know what this is, guys. It's against my religion to bleach. Give us a voucher so we can go and get another this thing, or give us our money and then we can go to use and get a sofa there. Regardless, all I know is that I'm not living here without a sofa. Anyway, so that's it for now. Update. It's taking forever, and okay. So the lowdown is that when we got the sofa, we got it to the grey cover, but then we went and we got a cream color to have as spare. So because when we've come to return it, we've come with it with the cream cover. So they are now saying that with the grey cover is more expensive, but because it's not in the sofa, so now they're like they would give us less money. So it's bad enough we've lost 400 kroners on renting the van to come bring it back. So now we're still going to lose money because the grey cover that is expensive, we washed it and we packed it and we brought it with us, but because it's not on the sofa, so now we're losing more money. And I said to my husband, we just take it off and put the other one back for them. But I don't know, I just want to get out of here. So we'll get a voucher and then we'll have to go and look for a sofa in store. So that's the update so far. But to be honest, their customer service, I score it maybe 6, because the wait alone is almost 1 hour now since we've been here waiting. So anyway, so that's the update on the return of a so-called 10-year warranty on a sofa that was clearly manufacturer's problem that made the wood cave in, but it's taking forever to rectify, and in the end we'll be giving voucher. So I don't know how I feel about IKEA and their 10-year warranty on furnitures. Is it that straightforward, to be honest? No, it wasn't. It wasn't straightforward at all, and we're still here waiting. We came like 12:30 and now it's like 1:20, so it's almost 1 hour and still. And this sofa that we're thinking of going for is a 2-seater, because we're hoping that way it won't have the same problem. But unfortunately in Helsingborg, not got much here. It's only Malmo, and the van we rented it for 4 hours, so we've got less than 3 hours to pick up the sofa, go and drop it back at home, and then go return back the van and do our shopping. So the inconvenience alone of returning this sofa is just, I don't know. So guys, in the next vlog, we'll be sharing with you guys what we did or what we bought with the voucher that we're giving and what we make of our new furniture. So don't forget to follow us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram as well, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for when we drop that video.